In the small, vibrant village of 9 Miles, nestled in the lush hills of St. Anne Parish, Jamaica, the morning sun cast golden hues over the verdant landscapes, awakening the spirited community of Rastafarians. Among them was Jahni, a young man with dreadlocks cascading down his back and eyes reflecting the calm resolve of his spirit. Jahni's days began with the songs of the birds and the gentle rustling of the banana leaves outside his wooden shack.
Each morning I step out onto the earth, barefoot and grateful, to tend to my small plot of land where I grow yams, peppers, and callaloo. Gardening is meditation, and each plant I nurture is a testament to my connection with Jah, the Almighty.
In the village, the Rastafarians lived closely knit, sharing not just resources, but also wisdom passed down through generations.
We gather often under the sprawling branches of the ancient mango tree at the village's heart to reason together, a practice of discussing life, philosophy, and the scriptures. It is here that Jahni learns from elders like myself, whose profound understanding of the Rastafari faith illuminates his path.
One evening, under a sky embroidered with stars, the community came together to celebrate the Earth-Strong, the birthday of Haile Selassie, the revered figure in Rastafari.
The air is alive with the scent of simmering idil stew, a vital part of our diet made from the vegetables Jahni and his friends cultivated. The rhythmic beating of the Nyabingi drums echoes through the hills, calling all to join in the festivity.
Jahni was particularly excited this evening, as he was to play his new song inspired by the teachings of Marcus Garvey, another respected figure in his faith.
His guitar, strung with old but tuned strings, waited patiently by his side as the elders concluded their opening prayers and chants.
When his moment came, Jahni strummed the first chord and sang with a voice that was both powerful and tender.
His words, filled with calls for unity and love, moved the community, young and old, as they joined in the chorus, their voices mingling in harmony. It was here that I spoke of my plan to travel beyond 9 miles, to share our music and message with the world. Narrator: after the celebration, while the coals of the fire still glowed softly, Jahni and his closest friends lingered, talking about their dreams and responsibilities. His friends, supportive yet cautious, knew the importance of their way of life being understood and respected, not merely appropriated or misunderstood.
Determined, Jahni spent the following months recording with local producers who respected the authentic sounds and messages of Rastafari music. His preparations were meticulous, as he wanted his outreach to be true to his roots, and yet universal in its appeal. Finally, the day came when Jahni, with a small collection of vinyl records under his arm, set off. He traveled across Jamaica, from Kingston to Montego Bay, playing in cafes, on radio stations, and at street corners, his dreadlocks swaying with each note, his heart swelling with pride. Months later, Jahni returned to 9 Miles, his journey having spread not only his music but also a deeper understanding of his faith.
The community welcomed him back with vibrant celebrations, eager to hear of his adventures. Jahni recounted stories of the people he met, the misconceptions he clarified, and how, in a world so vast, their little village was now known and respected.
In the glow of the firelight, as the night wrapped around 9 Miles once more, Jahni felt a profound connection to his roots and a renewed purpose to continue his work, both in his community and beyond. The stars overhead twinkled in approval, the ancient mango tree stood witness, and the Rastafari chants filled the air, reminding all of the eternal bond they shared with each other and with the earth.